Hey guys, it's your girl Ayn, and welcome to my room tour. So welcome to my room tour. I've been trying and planning on making this video for a long time now, and finally here it is. So I will be showing you guys around this area. When I started redecorating, renovating this space, it used to have 2 beds because my sister used to sleep here. What? Slip? She used to sleep here as well, but then ever since I actually asked her if I could just take this room. So we turned the 2 beds into 1 pull-out. So there's a pull-out here. And yeah, so she comes home every weekend, and then the rest of the time, this is my space. So I've got the bedroom, I've got the office space, ta-da, and then I've got my filming area right here. So this is like everything. This is my life. Welcome to my life. Okay, so this is my bed area, which as you can see is where I sleep. This used to be a full bookshelf, but I've narrowed down all of my books into my favorites. So now I just have these stacks of books. And then over here, I've got like little trinkets, my favorite, just for the aesthetic. Because aesthetic matters when, I don't know, for if you have a room and it just affects your mood. So yeah, I've got my family picture, calling cards, some of my favorite books, a fake cactus, because I killed the living cactus I had before. So I have that, and then I've got essential oils that I actually use before I go to bed, so my bed smells delicious and super calming. And then just another bag here, you know, aesthetic, again, aesthetic. And then here I've got more pictures of me and my siblings, melatonin, which I drink before I go to sleep so I can have vivid dreams and a good night's sleep. And then I've got my Red Bull cup, which I got from Japan. And then over here is my makeshift side table. This wasn't supposed to be a side table. It was just, I don't know, just some random table that we had before. And then it's not white. As you can see, like I have a theme going on. It's not white. It's like weird oak color, and I didn't like it. So I just got this fabric from Divisoria. It's faux fur. And this is what I use for my flat lace. It's such an influencer thing. Here on the side, I've got my morning pages journal where I write. It's like a diary of sorts. And then I've got like my Spanish learning stuff, which I try to spend an hour on at least before I go to sleep, because I don't know, that's the only time I have to do so. And then here is like my little shelf. This is like the mirror, my full-length mirror, and then all of my Kikai stuff. This is just for, again, aesthetic. But here is like my narrowed down Sunnies collection. I used to have a lot more, because I love hoarding Sunnies. But this is it, my top 10 so far. Okay, so let's move on to my filming area, which I haven't really used that much yet because I haven't gotten back to filming beauty videos. But when I do, I'm gonna be using this. So this stand is actually from Lazada. I got it from Lazada, and then this one was just printed, custom made. And then over here is, okay, so this used to be my sister's shelf, and when I kicked her out of the room, I kind of made it into this equipment, backpack, storage area of sorts. Over here we've got our yearbooks, so like she has a little part of the room left, a little. So these are hers, the 2 shelves, and then the rest is pretty much mine. I don't really have bag storage, and I own a lot of backpacks because I travel a lot, and as much as possible, I like using backpacks so I can just get up and go all the time. These are all of my backpacks, my dry bag, my fanny pack. Then this one is my 50 plus 10 liter Deuter bag that I use for camping. Camping, I mean like multi-day trips, whatever. And then right here is like my YouTube area. So I've got my Gorilla Pod, which I use when I vlog, especially for, you know, travel vlogs and stuff, but sometimes I just leave it. And then I've got speakers, which I use all the time when I'm working because I work here as well. Then this is my kit lens, which I use for sit down videos. Right now I'm using my wide angle lens. So, and then my GoPro, which I use for travel videos. This one is an art piece that I got from my sister when she went to Vietnam. I like it because it's like us. So, you know, like sisters with long hair. So like she's kind of living here, but not really. This is where I store my tripod, my lighting. So if you guys are wondering, this is the lighting solution that I have. It's just LED light that I got from Lazada. Okay, so let's move on to my vanity. So I don't really have a vanity like other people, you know, with a big bulb lights or whatever. So whatever, what? Light bulb. I light bulb sala. Oh, like I don't have whatever. Okay. I don't have those, but I do have this little skincare area that I use. So these are all of my essentials, what I use for my nighttime and daytime skincare routines. This is the mirror that I have. It's not low. Can you see the camera, woman? This one I got from Miniso. Can you believe it? I love it so much. This one also. This is also from Miniso. The way I organize this is by height, just because it looks better, and then by color. So under here, so this is just the essentials. I store. Okay, this is the kind of storagey area where I store all of my other makeup. They're in pouches and boxes and whatnot. And then here on the other cabinet, I got snacks, and then jewelry, documents, etc. This one was actually custom made when we first renovated it a long time ago. I actually did a whole layout of the room, and I asked my dad to kind of put cabinets here so we have extra storage space by the window, and also doubles as a standing desk for me, because sometimes when I get too tired from working and sitting down, I just want to stand, and I'm like just here like with my laptop, and then I have a view. If it's in the morning, I'll open the window and I can see trees, and it's really lovely. Okay, so over here, this is my basket of procrastination, basically stuff that I haven't gotten around to doing yet. So for example, this bathing suit needs to go to the tailor, but I haven't gone to the tailor yet, so it's just here, you know, just lurking and reminding me of stuff that I need to do. These are like my art supplies and office supplies. Yeah, and then I have here my little charging area where my phone with my camera, and then my alarm clock, which works. Up next, this is my closet space. I call it like a walk-in closet, but it's really not a walk-in closet because these used to have doors. But then my sister and I figured that having doors actually made it hard for us to organize stuff inside, because, you know, we'd have to open 2 sets of doors each. So what we did was we manually removed the doors by ourselves and just like knocked it out. And then when everything got repainted, it looks so much better now. So lastly, this is my workspace or my office space. As you guys know, I work from home, and I literally have to walk 5 steps to get from my bed to my office. I really wanted this space to be efficient and clean and organized, because this is what I look at every day whenever I work. Okay, let's start from left to right. This is obviously my laptop. I got this cover. I get asked a lot like where I got my case. This is from Cool Beans Manila on Instagram. And then over here I've got like my electronics, my pouch for electronics. The reason why I keep them in a pouch and not just scattered around is because if I have to like go to a meeting or like a coffee shop or work outside, I can just grab my things and go. And then here, wine. I've got wine on my workspace because sometimes you're just bound to need it. Here, this is a corkboard that I DIY'd. Yeah, palm trees, palm leaves, my favorite. And then over here we've got a magnet board where I put all of my memorabilia from travels. I'm gonna add a lot more to this, but for now this is my little collection. I really like this poster of sorts. It says create your future, which is basically what I'm trying to do with, you know, creating content on YouTube and just crafting my life. So, and then this one, this is my favorite part of my workspace, I would say, because this is a corkboard slash, I don't know, how would you call it? These are all postcards from either friends or, you know, trips that I've had before. So here, this is from China, this is from Billy. This is San Miguel Brewery in Manila. I'm planning to send this to my lola in the States because he loves San Miguel, but I haven't gotten around to it because procrastination, so I've just left it here. And then this is from my sister when she went to Vietnam. I asked her for an artsy postcard as a pasalubong, so this is what she got me. And then here we've got Seattle. When I went to Seattle, this is a bookmark that I got from a friend in Malaysia, I think. It was Malaysia. And then Palawan and Siargao. I actually got both of these postcards when we were in Dumaguete because they didn't have a Dumaguete postcard. So I just got Siargao and Palawan, which I both love. And then this one is a postcard from the Mount Cloud bookshop in Baguio, but this is a painting of Mount Pulag. And then this one, the iconic Japanese painting, this is a postcard of that. So I got that obviously when I was in Japan. And then here I've got a picture of my sister who I kicked out of the room and is filming this video. And I have this little, what do you call that? The photo booth thing from Japan where they enlarge your eyes, whatever. This is my friend Mana. I wish I had more Polaroids so I could, you know, like post it everywhere, but so far this is what I have. So, and then this is my boarding pass from when I went home from Japan to the Philippines on my birthday. So this is kind of like a life-changing event, so I just keep it there to remind me. Lastly, this is my desk calendar, but I just cut it from a free planner that my mom got somewhere, and yeah, it's just there, you know. I just DIY stuff. Other than that, what do I have here? So I've got my laptop, another fake cactus plant because, you know, I failed at my last living cactus, and then more, I've got more business cards, Ayn Bernos, and then like a tumbler that I got from, I had a talk in Holy Spirit of Quezon City, and they got me this. I have my pens, my markers, more office supplies, and then here I lay out all of my notebooks because I don't want to have to look through them to be able to get what I need. So I've got my daily to-do list over here. I've got my planner, I've got my passport just because I love it so much. I did so many things. I flew to Palawan to get my passport, so I'm just keeping it there, like, so I can see it all the time because I love it. Then my specs from Sunny Studios. Oh, my Sunny specs. Headphones for editing. Then post-its, and then this is my content planner where I basically just jot down ideas. And then more Spanish reference books. And yeah, basically that's it. I've got the door and this. So we've come full circle. We're done with the tour. I'm so happy. Finally finished. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll leave as many details in the description as possible. So where I got my bed sheets, I know you're gonna ask about that, and all of the other stuff. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me here on my channel, and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like, etc., etc. Bye, stay confident. No.